Hi folks, please join me on a cycling trip around the Amish town of Shipshewana, Indiana. It was a good long drive to get down there from Toronto, but well worth it. I needed to have a new cooling unit installed in my camper fridge, and the Amish are famous for the workmanship that goes into rebuilding propane fridges. They have no electricity brought into their homes or businesses from the local utility, and have used gas refrigeration for a very long time, developing their own skills and techniques. The cost is reasonable, way cheaper than the cost in Ontario, and a far better warranty. But enough about that. I had 2 beautiful mornings of drone flying and a hike, which I showed in my earlier video. And now, while the fridge is being repaired, come along with me for a ride around a beautiful little country town in northern Indiana, Shipshewana.